A few animals like insects, bats, and many birds can fly. Birds are the best flyers because they are built to fly. Most birds that fly have very light bones. Look at the skeleton of a pigeon. Did you know that a bird's skeleton may weigh less than its feathers? Yes, they do. How do wings help a bird fly? Well, a bird's wing is a special shape to help the birds fly. It is round on top and curved underneath. This helps the air lift the bird when it flaps its wings. Well, you can actually tell how a bird flies just by looking at the shape of its wings. Taking off. Most birds take off by leaning forward, spreading their wings, and jumping into the air. Some seabirds jump off cliffs into the wind. Some large seabirds take off by running fast across the water. An example of such a bird is the royal albatross. Take a look at how it takes off from the sea. How do birds fly? Well, there are 4 different ways of flying. Birds can flap their wings. Birds can soar. Birds can glide. Or birds can hover. Landing. To land, a bird uses its wings and tail to slow down. Well, step 1, as a bird lands, it spreads out its wings as well as its tail. 2, it flaps its wings to stop. And 3, it sticks its feet out and lands. Some water birds land on water using their webbed feet to slow them down. An example of such water bird is the pelican. When a pelican lands, it looks like it's water skiing. What about birds that cannot fly? There are some birds that just cannot fly. Penguins use their wings as flippers. They can swim well, but they cannot fly. A penguin swims underwater using its wings. Large birds such as the ostrich and emu cannot fly because they are too heavy. Although the ostrich cannot fly, it can run at 50 kilometers per hour. It can also kick its enemies very hard with its strong legs. So you better keep away from a running ostrich. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.